In western Kentucky, we're starting to think about summertime fishing patterns, which means blue cats out on the main river channel. These times when they start drawing a little power through the dams, they're drawing current, so that gets a little current out on the river channels. A good time to go blue cat fishing. My preferred bait is a big old chunk of night crawler. Other people use shad or leeches. Also below the dams, striped bass, white bass, catfish below the dams are a good thing to be doing this time of the year. As far as largemouth bass, I'm thinking I'm going to the ledges. It's slow fishing, but that's where your big fish are hanging out. Your big largemouth bass are hanging out there on the ledges. And then if you just want some leisurely fishing in the evening, I'm fishing stake beds with worms, crickets around the stake beds, any shallow water structure, just to capture those lingering bluegill or maybe a crappie. Well, this is Paul Reister, and I hope you find a good day to go fishing.
This is Jeff Crosby with the Central Fishing Report. Fishing in the area continues to be very good. Bass fishing at many of our area lakes, such as Beaver, Elmer, Gist Creek lakes, continue to be very good. Try crank baits or swim jigs to catch a few of these fish. Spend most of your time around main lake points or secondary points, and also on banks where the river channel sweeps against the bank. Additionally, bluegill and red ear sunfish are being caught at many of our area lakes, especially our small lakes like Beaver, Elmer, and McNeely lakes. Finally, I'm receiving good reports of good catches of smallmouth bass and rock bass on our local area streams such as Elkhorn Creek and Floyd's Fork. Small crankbaits or jerk baits as well as small jigs are currently productive. Remember, always ask permission before entering private property. Grab a pole and enjoy some great summertime fishing.
Hi, this is Eric Cummins with your Southwest Kentucky Fishing Report. Barren and Green River Lakes bass bite has been good early and late or at night on top waters, Carolina rig worms or medium crankbaits. Channel catfish are good with jugs, trot lines, or hook and line with cut bait. Crappie have been fair in 10 to 15 foot of water with minnows or jigs. Fishing at night under the lights has also been a good producer. Bluegill have been good on crickets, wax worms, and red worms in 2 to 4 foot of water. At Barren River Lake, specifically, the hybrid bite has been producing good fish trolling or casting medium crankbaits or swim baits at night or early and late in the day. Cumberland River trout fishing has been excellent throughout the tailwater. As always, good luck and good fishing. Be sure you wear your life jacket.